The laundromat business in Malaysia has changed significantly over the last decade. What was once considered a simple, low-involvement business has now become increasingly competitive, especially in urban areas. So, in 2026, many investors are asking a very reasonable question. Is dobiQueen still worth investing in? In this video, we'll take a closer look at dobiQueen as a franchise business. The goal is simple: to help you understand what this business really offers and whether it still makes sense in today's market. dobiQueen is a Malaysian self-service laundry brand that was founded in 2015. At its core, it operates 24-hour laundromats equipped with commercial-grade washing and drying machines. What differentiates dobiQueen from many smaller operators is its emphasis on standardization and quality. The outlets use industrial-grade Electrolux professional machines and include premium detergents such as Dynamo or Downy as part of the service. Another notable feature of the dobiQueen franchise is the machine buyback guarantee, which allows franchisees to sell the equipment back to the franchisor under certain conditions. This is not common in the laundry franchise space and is clearly positioned as a way to reduce exit risk for investors. Since its founding, dobiQueen has expanded steadily. According to reputable business media reports, the brand grew from a single outlet to dozens of locations across Malaysia over several years, with some reports citing over 80 outlets at its peak. While the exact number of outlets can vary depending on timing and reporting, what matters more from an investor's perspective is the trajectory. dobiQueen has demonstrated an ability to scale its operations, particularly in Klang Valley and other urban centers. The company has also publicly stated plans to continue expanding at a controlled pace, rather than pursuing aggressive or unchecked growth. This suggests a focus on sustainability rather than rapid saturation. Now let's talk about the investment side. Based on publicly available franchise information, the starting investment for a dobiQueen franchise is approximately $380,000. Although the final figure can be higher depending on location, outlet size, and renovation requirements. This investment typically covers franchise rights and setup, commercial washing and drying machines, renovation and branded fit-out, initial operational setup. Compared to small, independent coin laundries, this is a relatively high entry cost. However, it also reflects the positioning of the brand. dobiQueen is not designed to compete at the lowest price point, but rather on consistency, service quality, and brand recognition. dobiQueen's own franchise materials state that existing outlets have achieved average annual returns in the range of 33 to 35%. It's important to clarify that these figures are reported by the franchisor based on internal performance data and are not independently audited. As with any franchise investment, actual performance can vary significantly depending on location, operating costs, and local competition. That said, the business model does not rely solely on self-service washing. Additional services such as wash and fold, assisted service, and pickup options help diversify revenue and reduce reliance on pure machine usage. From an operational perspective, dobiQueen positions itself as a structured and supported franchise, rather than a hands-off equipment supplier. The franchisor provides assistance with site selection and feasibility assessment, outlet setup and launch, marketing and promotional materials, and ongoing operational guidance. The machine buyback guarantee also plays an important role here. While it does not eliminate risk entirely, it does provide a form of downside protection that many franchise models do not offer. From a broader market perspective, industry commentary suggests that urban Malaysian consumers are increasingly open to outsourcing household tasks, including laundry. This is especially true among working adults, dual-income households, and residents of high-density housing. Convenience, time savings, and reliability are becoming just as important as price. In that context, service-oriented laundromats like dobiQueen are better positioned than basic coin laundries that compete purely on cost. However, competition remains strong, and success still depends heavily on location selection and local demand. So, is dobiQueen still worth investing in for 2026? Based on verified information, we can say that dobiQueen is an established Malaysian brand with nearly a decade of operating history, a franchise with structured systems and operational support, a higher capital investment aimed at service-driven urban markets, a business model that includes some risk mitigation features such as equipment buyback. That said, it is not a guaranteed or passive investment. Returns are influenced by location, execution, and market conditions. For investors who understand the risks and are looking for a structured laundry franchise rather than a low-cost coin laundry, dobiQueen remains a relevant option worth evaluating in 2026. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. To explore business and franchise opportunities across Malaysia, visit venturegrab.com. And if there's a brand you're curious about, let us know in the comments. We may explore its franchise costs and opportunities in our next video. Thank you for watching.